Hello students, good morning all of you. Students, your exercise 5.4 is going on, and in this exercise you have learned how can we add or subtract two or more than two fraction, either like fraction or unlike fraction. So this is the time for solving a word problem of this exercise. Now let's start question number 2, that the length of the boundary walls of a school is 6 right 2 upon 3 meter, 5 right 4 upon 5 meter, 4 right 3 upon 4 meter and 3 right 1 upon 6 meter. Find the total length of the boundary walls. So students, this is not a difficult question. You have to add all these fractions before converting into like fraction, because these fraction is not a example of like fraction. So first of all you have to write the solution in step by step. This is necessary. If you solve any word problem, then you have to write all the steps in the solution of word problem. Okay, so we can write given length of boundary walls of a school is equal to 6 right 2 by 3 meter, 5 right 4 by 5 meter, 4 right 3 by 4 meter and 3 right 1 by 6 meter. Okay, so converting all these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is very easy. 3 6 is 18 plus 2 20 upon 3 meter, 5 5 is 20 plus 4 24 upon 5 5 is 25 and 4 29 upon 5 meter, 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 upon 4 meter and 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 upon 6 meter. Now hence total length of boundary walls of a school. So removing all the commas and put the operator plus like this. Now here all these fraction are example of unlike fraction. So first of all you have to convert all these fraction into like fraction. So how can we convert? Before taking LCM. Taking LCM of 3, 5, 4 and 6. So we can write 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 1 is 2, 3 1 is and 5. Now we can write LCM of, so we can write LCM of 3, 5, 4 and 6 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So it is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 5 is 60. Now using this LCM you have to make all this denominator by 60. So we can write 20 upon 3 is equal to. So first of all you have to convert all this fraction by. How can we make this 3 by 60? It is very easy, because 23 is 60. So multiply 20 both numerator and denominator plus 29 upon 15 12 5 is yes 12 5 is 60. So we have to multiply by 12, and here 15 4 is 60. So we have to multiply by by 15, and in last 6 tens are 60. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. Then we can write 60 here. Now 20 20s are 400 plus 12 nines are 108. 8. Here you have to write 8 and and 5 14 plus 1 3 4 8 plus 19 into 15 285 plus 190. So student, you have to add this number into. So we can write here 5 8 13 1 carry 9 1 10 10 8 18 18 and 4 22 2 carry 2 1 3 3 2 5 5 3 8 8 4 12 upon 60. So student, this is the example of improper fraction. So you have to convert into mixed fraction, like 62 is 120, 23 is the remainder. So we can write 2 right 23 upon 60. Now let me check that this is correct or not. 52 is 20. Oh, you have to write 20 into 23 upon 60, because student, if you multiply 20 into 60, then we get 1200, and adding by 23, then we will get 23. Okay, so 20 right 23 upon 60 is the correct answer, and it is, you have to write meter. So this is the answer of this question. Let me check the answer is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, we are moving third question, that women purchased sweets worth rupees 73 right 1.4 from a shop, and women give a note of rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. Find the amount the shopkeeper will return to women. Student, विमन जो है 73 राइट 1/4 रुपीज़ का स्वीट खरीदता है और वो शॉपकीपर को 500 देता है. तो हमें निकालना क्या है, शॉपकीपर ने रिटर्न कितना किया आफ्टर गिविंग 500. ओके, सो दिस in this question you have to subtract this fraction by this number 500. Okay, so first of all you have to write all the steps in word. So I am writing here paid amount cost of sweets given, cost of sweets is equal to rupees 73 right 1/4. Student, you have to convert in this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So you have to multiply 73 by 4. 4 is 12 and 4 7 is 28 and 1 29. 292 plus 1, then we will get 293 upon 4. Okay. Now again I am writing here paid amount by demand is equal to rupees 500. Then return amount by shopkeeper is equal to 500 minus 2, right? 293 upon 4. So student, I have explained that if a number have written without any fraction, then it is understood that the denominator of every number is always 1. So we can write 500 upon 1 minus 293 upon 4. So if you want to write the denominator 4, so first of all you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4 like this. So we can write 4 5 is 22,000 upon 4 minus 293 upon 4. So today this is the example of like fraction. So we can write 2000 minus 293 293. So subtract 293 from 2000, we get 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and here 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, and here 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and here 1 upon 4. Student, this is the example of improper fraction. So you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction like this. 4 4 is 16, 1, 4 1 is 4 2 is 8, and 4 6 is 24. So we get 3 the remainder. So we can write 426, write 3 upon 4 rupees is the answer. Let me check the answer is correct or not. Exercise 5.4, and the question number is 4. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So student, this is the step you have to follow for solving these type of question. First of all you have to write in steps, then after you have to calculate the fraction. Okay. So before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take screenshot. Now sure, we are moving the last question of this exercise, because question number 4, 5, 6 are same as like question number 1 and 2, because in question number 4 you have to find the left water. Left water means you have to find the remaining water. So if you want to find the remaining water, you have to subtract from larger fraction to smaller fraction. And in question number 5 you have to find the total, then you have to add. And in question number 6 you have to also total, you have to find the total. बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ठीक है। जो लार्जर फ्रैक्शन है उसमें से स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ठीक है। और स्टेप्स आपको इसी तरह स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं, उसके बाद आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपको टोटल निकालना है, यानी कि प्लस करना है, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में भी प्लस करना है। तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको अपने खुद से करना है, यू हैव टू ट्राई टू सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ। एंड वी आर मूविंग आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, दैट अ जार ऑफ मिल्क हैज 20 लीटर्स ऑफ मिल्क। इसी जार में 20 लीटर मिल्क है, and 4/5 liter milk was taken away from the jar, and again 3/4 liter was added. तो इसमें बच्चों कह रहा है कि इतना लीटर मिल्क निकाला गया एंड अगेन इतना लीटर मिल्क ऐड कर दिया गया, देन हाउ मच मिल्क इज स्टिल देयर इन द जार। अब इसमें देखिए 2 स्टेप्स में आपको सॉल्यूशन निकालना है। पहले में क्या करेंगे हम कि 20 में से ये माइनस कर देंगे, ध्यान से देखिएगा, 20 लीटर में ये इतना लीटर माइनस कर देंगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से ये प्लस कर देंगे, तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि अभी स्टिल का मतलब होता है कि अभी जो है जार में कुल कितना लीटर मिल्क है। ओके, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग हियर, गिवन quantity of milk in jar is equal to 20 liter and quantity of taken away milk is equal to 15, right, 4/5 liter. Student, this is the example of mixed fractions. You have to convert into improper fraction. 15 5 that 75 and 4 79/5 liter. Then quantity of remaining milk is equal to, you have to subtract 20 minus this from 20. We can write, okay, this is not a fraction, so we can write like this. And if you are all know about, we have to multiply by 5, so we can write 25 is 100 upon 5 minus 79 upon 5. So this is the like fraction, so we can write 100 minus 79. Then we get 10 minus 9 is 1, 109 minus 7 is 2. That is 21/5 liter. Now quantity of added milk in jar is equal to 7, right, 3/4 liter. Okay, so we can write 4 7 28 plus 3 and 31/4 liter. Hence total quantity of milk still in the jar, is equal to, simply you have to add this by this, so we can write 31/4 plus 21/, बच्चों इसमें क्या है कि इतना लीटर हमें पता चला 21/5 लीटर मिल्क बचा है, और उसमें इतना लीटर मिल्क फिर से ऐड कर दिया गया, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 21/4 प्लस 21/5 प्लस 31/4। बच्चों 5 और 4 का एलसीएम 20 होगा, ठीक है। तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, बहुत आसान है, 21/4 5 प्लस 31/4, इसको हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और इसको हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, बहुत ईजी है। तो 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 5 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 4 5 is 20. So we can write 5 4 9 and then 5 8 13, 1 carry 1 1 2. Student, this is the example of improper fraction. So we have to divide 239 by 20. So we can write 21 by 20. That is 1 right 39/20 लीटर। यानी बच्चों इतना लीटर मिल्क अभी इसमें जार में बचा हुआ है, ठीक है। Now let me check the answer is correct or not. 11 right, 19 upon 20. Student, there in the answer of this question, you have to correct, because if you divide 239 by 20, then we will 21 the 20 and again 21 the 20, then we get 9 and 3 to minus 2 is 1. So we can write 11 right, 11 upon 19 liter. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, this is the correct answer. Here we get 9 minus 0 is equal to 9 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we can write 11 right, 19 upon 20 liter. Now students, this is the last question of this exercise and you have to solve the remaining part of this exercise, that is 4, 5 and 6. Student, 4, 5, 6 you have to solve by yourself. Okay, this is the homework. I hope you are all understand that how can we write the solution in step, then after you have to solve the solution, you have to solve the calculation, you have to write the calculation of this equation of this solution. Okay, student, make sure that if you want to try to solve the word problem, then you have to solve all the solution in steps, then after you have to write the calculation. Okay, so student, in next video I will discuss the new chapter of mathematics. This is chapter number 6 is your decimal. Okay, so till then, thank you very much for being with us.